Hi guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of Bidet BB600. I was going to actually do it a long time ago, but so I have not used toilet paper. I don't even have toilet paper in my bathroom. So when I sit down, let me go ahead and sit down real quick. I'll take a crap, and when I'm done, I'll just hit this button here, cleaning, and hit a double press, and it's an oscillating thing that comes out, and I don't like it. It's too strong, and you can move the nozzle back and forth to make sure all the gunk gets cleaned off. And then that's for girls if you have the other thing. And double hit dry, and the heater will come on. And you can also heat the temperature of the seat if you want. I don't like doing that. And you can also raise the temperature of the water. I just have it at low, that's fine. I don't like it too hot. But once I'm done, I just flush the toilet. Or I can hit stop, or if I get off the toilet, it will actually stop the heater. But let's say I'm done. Flush the toilet. I never have to clean my hands. I never touched my butt. You know, and I save so much toilet paper. You know, all of these people that are, you know, buying up all this toilet paper, you guys suck. Just buy a bidet, and you never need toilet paper. You just need it for, like, I don't know, blowing your nose, but that's pretty much it. You'll save so much money on toilet paper. And next time, as Americans, we can avoid this toilet paper madness. So, public message to you, get a bidet. This one's already like sold out on Amazon, but next time it comes available, I highly suggest you guys to get one. This is not even the best one. This is like a cheap one. Anyway, have a great day.